dear friends and business partner. On the 4th of July, the time has come. For 100 coins, you get 1 gram of gold. Many of you wonder why we do that. First, I would like to tell you, you can never again buy our KBC for 2 cents and then receive multiply. If we look at the Bitcoin, which started with few cents in this time, this time is over to make a big profit. In my opinion is, now it's the time to buy. We have 7 billion coins in the circulation from the KBC coins. That's 70 tons of gold if we take 1 gram of gold for 100 coins. We have signed a contract for a mine in Guinea, Africa, for more than 200 tons of gold. In total, 700 tons of gold are in this area. By the way, we have a new contract with a new investor, and in February we go public with this. 1.4 tons gold in our storage. That's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Step by step, we will store more and more gold for you and the KBC coin. This will make our coin a stable gold-covered coin in the future, that anyone and everyone can use this. More and more people are trading their coin in the different exchange, and also in our exchange, the people trading a lot of. Everyone wants to lay down their money in a safe coin after the trading. For these people, we offer a safe coin, and that's amazing for all the people in the whole world. With each transaction, we earn money, and by the way, a part of it is converted to gold every month. This gold content of the coin is increased continually. If you look at the top 5 exchange, only the profits they earn are between 5th place 1.8 million and first place 3.4 million per day. That's the profit from only the fees. We don't just create a coin or exchange here, but a complete payment system. We will create a worldwide unique coin covered with gold. This is, ladies and gentlemen, my goal. And in the next, we will pre-launch our crypto phone in the next several weeks. Voice over blockchain. And I promise you, never before has there been such an offer. The first phone with a private key and also a bug brief. That's a revolution. Then, in the next time, we launch our blockchain payment system. Imagine going to an entrepreneur who can use our system for free. He accepts our KBC coin or KCB coin or other coins, and he gets in the end as a payment dollar and euro. Yes, it's, you listen me right, dollar and euro. And you deserve a share of all these fees. The benefit of this is has the entrepreneur has a cheaper fee. We launched this on end of March 2019, and you can offer that to anyone. From September, we will have our mainnet ready, and this is the big task that we have ahead of us. Our own blockchain, better, faster, and more innovative than many other blockchains together. Also, in September, we launch our ATMs. We sell this to the entrepreneur with packages and cash gold. And it's very important, they have both the ATM and the cash gold together. With our banks and the various companies together, with you, we form, dear friends and business partners, a worldwide payment system with gold. And I will appreciate it. All these, our exchange, our crypto phone, payment system, or Karat Coin Bank, the Gold Standard Bank, the gold mines, our ATMs, and our mainnet will be ready in this year 2019. It's time to start, ladies and gentlemen. Gold is the only precious metal that can be used as a means of payment because there is a value behind, and this is very important. Decide you for yourself if you want to be a part of such an incredible, fantastic market. Here, you do something for yourself, but more importantly, you do it for everyone else, and that's the very important things for our business. I'm looking forward to our common future. Your Harald Seiz.